one we own in the HotStocks portfolio, so you can tell we're going to be keen on it. We won't go into a lot of detail about the drugs, but this one is Amgen, Californian-based company, biotech, so it's even more research-oriented. Its core was in blood-based drugs, so things like EPO and Neupogen, which basically stimulate red and white blood cell corpuscle regeneration. Enbrel, which is one of those market leaders in the rheumatoid arthritis area. And they've got some exciting stuff coming through the pipeline, including something called Repatha, which is for cholesterol, for people that don't respond positively to the statins. $130.6 billion. Price earnings ratio 17.36. Dividend yield 2.59%. Straight to the share chart, please. So it had a bit of a wobbly time in the last 2 years or so, but it has picked up again, and it's back close to the all-time highs, around $180 a share. It hasn't really battled too much since Trump came in. If anything, it's picked up nicely since Trump came in. Yeah. Anything special you want to draw attention to here, Wayne?
Obviously, these guys also generate a massive amount of cash, and they're also into share buybacks hugely. And when you go through their financials and you look at their outlook statement, it's actually very positive. Their outlook statement was a lot more positive than Johnson & Johnson. So I'm actually very well disposed towards this share as well.
I saw a recent Goldman Sachs note where they had a sit down with the management team and they ran through all of these different areas, and I must say I agree with you. Very positive about their research activities on these new things. They've got a couple of new things coming in addition to that, something for migraine. They're making quite a big push into the cancer drugs, which is of course oncology. That's always going to be huge. They got a drug called Kyprolis. So in general, it looks pretty good for them. And one of the risks with biotech is that if you get into a company which has only got one Hail Mary,
then that dies,
and it wins, then it's off to the races. But if it has a phase 3 late stage fail, or it's not found to be all that successful, then the share price goes down by 80% on the day.
But look,
these guys, you don't have that
diversified, very diversified. Look, the PE ratio is also not bad at 17. As I said earlier on, they're projecting very good outlook. They're very positive about it. And, not just positive about the outlook, they actually have delivered in earnings over the last while as well. The last year's results and the quarter results are actually quite good.
So it combines, the excitement of biotech and the new generation drugs with what looked like fairly normalized, kind of valuations.
Well-established drugs and also normalized valuations.
Exactly. Okay, so we'll be hot on that one as well? Yeah, perfect.